Okay, proposal is value swap. It's trading value anywhere, anytime. So the problem, e-commerce today involves highly centralized middlemen with dominant control of the customer relationship, pricing, in some cases product availability, and they also have high commission fees. The solution is value swap. We use the atomic swap open protocol to create decentralized, open source, self-custody marketplaces. This will allow vendors to easily tokenize their products so they can have a direct relationship with their customers and avoid centralized middlemen with high commissions and/or control. The target audience and what we're focusing on for this proposal is really around digital assets that represent real-world products. Although the atomic swap open protocol can be used for any native assets on a Cardano, this proposal is going to focus on real-world assets. And the atomic swap protocol also has integrated escrow contracts and as well as user token verification. And so I'll just highlight some of the points of this, is that the product basically is going to be easily able to tokenize any physical product. So it's going to be very focused on ease of use for non-crypto natives. The integrated escrow contracts can allow for real-world shipping and settlement. User tokens, which are required in the swap trades, are really for fraud prevention and also compliance. In certain jurisdictions, you need to know who you're dealing with on both sides of the trade. Vendor reputation can be directly linked to sales, and there'll be fast, secure, and reliable trade executions. So the solution architecture, on the left is the atomic swap open protocol. On the right is the mobile app that we're going to create. That's the proposal. And again, it's using this algae products. We partnered up with Dylan and Algae Farm, so they have a number of products. And we're just going to focus on that as kind of a first go. But this is all going to be open source, meaning that anyone could leverage this, what we're building here. And this could be used for any type of products, both physical as well as digital tokens. And the way the atomic swap protocol works is a seller, they basically mint a product, they mint their user token, and then they put it into a swap. And then the buyer also creates a user token, and they execute an atomic swap. And the swap can be configured to either be directly, it's an atomic swap, so if the swap happens, it gets resolved right away, or it can be configured to have an escrow contract. And the escrow contract, what happens is the value and the product tokens and a deposit would go into the escrow. And then once the seller ships the product to the buyer, there's an incentive to get the deposit back. They would release the escrow contract. And the escrow contract is a 2 out of 3 multi-sig, so there can be a dispute resolution. And the third signature would be the marketplace that can come in and arbitrage if there's a dispute. Again, process, you mint a product token, you then mint a user token, then you open a swap. So it's a 3-step process. And again, the focus is on simplicity. We've got links in the proposal. So we've got the concept video of what this app would look like. I have a light paper that I wrote on the atomic swap open protocol. And again, it was inspired by Zcan and their Cardano swaps. I've got written the atomic swap protocol, the source code's here. I've got a demo of it working, and I have a live site of it working, and it's all working on the pre-prod. So really all we're building is this front-end piece. The atomic swap protocol already exists. The code's already there as a demo client. And so really we're just focusing on the mobile piece. Okay, thank you very much.